Excuse me, what is your full name and which date you are having your mock interview?
So my name is Vikas Singh, and my interview is scheduled on 12th of July.
10th of July. In which place?
12th of July. 12th of
12th,
July.
12th of
12th.
July. In which place?
Trichy, Tiruchirappalli.
Tiruchirappalli. So are you a person from Tamil Nadu or from North India?
No, sir, I'm from Lucknow. Currently posted in Pudukkottai.
You are working in IOB?
Yeah, sir. Working in Indian
Oh,
Overseas Bank.
working in Indian Overseas Bank. Good, good, good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. What are you now in your IOB?
Sir, assistant manager. Joined bank in 2015.
Assistant manager 2015. 8 years हो गया.
Okay.
Why have you not been promoted to managership?
Sir, I was eligible in 2019, but due to COVID and some family issue, I have not taken promotion.
Now, do you think you are
And
really capable of managing a scale 3 position?
yeah. I already having experience of 3 years as a branch head
Acha?
and worked in different branches, exceptionally large, semi-urban as well as rural branch. Every type of branch I have worked.
No, were you branch head in some place? Which branch head?
Lucknow
La
itself, it was a rural branch,
Acha,
business
acha.
of 20 crore rupees.
Acha, acha. Very
Previously,
good.
it was scale 2, already headed by from last 8 years, it was headed by scale 2, but management given the responsibility to head over the branch, and I
Very,
successfully
very
managed
good.
it for
So
two and
you
a
have
half years.
you were branch manager
Yes.
of a rural branch.
Hmm. Yes.
Can
Last
you
time I told, sir, due to in 2021 I got promoted to scale 2, but due to some personal reasons I forgot it because of family
so
issues.
how are you
That the thing
going?
you have told
Uh,
that not to mention it.
Acha, acha. Yeah. That is
That the thing you have
you
mentioned
got
not to mention
promoted,
it.
which you rejected, na? Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Due to
I
some
told.
family issues, my father was not so well. That's why.
Yeah, I understand. Very good. Now, um, central bank wants people only with tel credit background, more of credit background. Can you please tell me what is co-lending?
So co-lending is that some banks take uh, lends a big project. That is
Hmm.
co-lending.
Hmm.
Come forward to and
Can you further tell it nicely? आपने जो बोला wrong नहीं है, but you can tell it in still more enjoyable manner. अच्छा से बोलो ना.
yes, co-lending is that if some banks are sanctioning some big projects and two or three banks came forward to sanction the same loan, that is co-lending.
Excellent. Okay, good. Now, what is break-even point on term loan? What is
Sir, I have no idea about it.
break-even point on term loan?
Sir,
You
I have
don't.
no idea about it. Break-even point, I know that is a point where no profit, no loss gain situation. But on term loan, I don't know about it.
What does it mean? Break-even on a loan. If the closing costs and interest rate on the new loan are lower than what you pay on your current loan, you have hit on your break-even point. What do you
Sorry, sir, your voice is not clear. Sorry, sir. Hello.
if the
Yeah.
cost
Yeah.
if the costs and interest rate on the new loan are lower
Okay.
than what you would pay on your current loan, you have hit on your break even. What do you mean by
Okay.
term break even point? What do you mean by term break even point? The break even point is the point at which the total cost and total revenue are equal, meaning there is no loss or gain for your small business. In other words, you have reached the level of production at which the cost of production equals the revenues for a of product.
Business.
Correct. That's correct.
Yes.
Good. Can you tell me the classification of MSME?
Sir, you are asking about mudra loans? No. MSME schemes.
Classification of MSME. How MSMEs are classified?
Micro MSME has been categorized in three numbers. That is micro, small, and medium. Micro, small business investment up to 5 crore. Plant and machinery turnover is 50 crore, and secondly medium 10 crore and 100 crore, and third 50, and turnover should be 250 crore.
No. You are telling wrongly. Micro का definition क्या है?
Micro is 5 crore should be investment in plant and machinery, and turnover should be 50 crore.
Wrong, na. Now it is 1 crore. Investment in plant and machinery is less than 1 crore, and turnover less than 5 crore. Is it not? Why are you telling wrongly? Or have you read it somewhere else like this?
No, sir, I forgot. I have read correct. I forgot.
1 crore and 5 crore. Then
5 crore.
And then here, investment in plant and machinery is 10 crore and 50 crore for the next one. Micro, small. Then medium, 50 crore.
50
investment
crore,
plant and machinery, 250 crore. And so that is the definition. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Are you aware of what is CGT MSE? Because they are going on asking this in every second interview. They are asking this. I am not familiar with that. But still, what do you know about CGT MSE?
CGT MSE is basically providing credit guarantee for the government of India, which up to 200 crore. 200 crore security will be provided by CGTMC, and it will be all loans up to 200 crore will be covered under CGTMC. It is a credit guarantee.
What is the full expansion of CGT MSE? Credit Guarantee Fund Trust. Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for micro, small enterprises.
Small enterprises.
Credit guarantee, I am not knowing it, that's why I am reading it. Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for micro and small enterprises. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
What is the guarantee coverage?
Up to 200 crores, sir.
No. Percentage of guarantee coverage. How much guarantee coverage is given? For say loans up to 5 lakhs, above that and all that. It is given. The guarantee cover available under the scheme is to the extent of 50%, 75%, 80%, 85% of the sanction
85%
loan of the amount credit facility. The extent of guarantee cover is 85% for micro enterprises up to rupees 5 lakh. Then after that, it will change, it seems. So you must read that and know that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. There is msme.gov.in. msme.gov.in. There is a lot of things are given here, and you must be able to go through that and get to answer the questions properly. Good. Please tell me, why should I select you as a Scale 3 officer in our central bank?
Sir, I have total 9 years or 8.5 years of experience. I have worked in various departments like operations, marketing, advances, retail. When I was posted in Lucknow main branch, I was looking after the marketing skills. I have mobilized more than 100 vehicles from various tie-ups to by mobilizing vehicle loans. I used to visit various agencies and expanding their tie-up and personal vehicle loans, tie-up with many commercial real estate agencies for mobilizing housing loan. Apart from that, I was previously, my previous task was that in a small rural branch business was only 15 crore, and branch was in loss for last 8.5 years. And moreover, Advance's portfolio was very less. That was only 5 crores, and in which 2.5 crore was NPA, in which one crore was eligible for OTS scheme. I settled 50 lakh of OTS within a span of 6 months. And when I was got transferred from that, the branch business mix was 27 crore, and branch was in profit of uh, 18 lakhs.
Mm.
So I have worked in every. Apart from that, I also worked in Punjab National Bank for 10 years, 10 months as a clerical. So I know every work of every stage and every process.
So what is the difference in working as a clerk and working as an officer?
Clerical is an entry level job, sir. So whatever the customer generally interacts with the clerical staff, and that is a backbone of the business. If customer service will improve, that should be improved by clerks.
Mm-hmm. Why
They
do
are
you
the
want,
face of the bank.
why do you want to jump from IOB to CBI?
Sir, Central, I am currently serving as a scale 1 officer. I'm getting opportunity to move to scale 3 officer, and that will be as well as my career aspects and growth in monetary benefits also.
Mm-hmm. Good. If
If
in the
organization will grow, I will also grow.
if in a projection statement a customer shows 70% increase in sales, what will you do?
So that much increase is not permissible. Approx 10-20% increase in sales figure is acceptable as per
Mm-hmm.
norms. That
Mm-hmm.
much variation not acceptable.
Have you heard of HDFC merger? What is it?
Yes, sir. HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank recently merged. HDFC Limited was looking after housing loans and HDFC Bank, and now the capital of that merger bring HDFC as in term of capitalization, that is the fourth in the world.
Mm-hmm.
They merged HDFC Limited. That is the first time that any subsidiary acquired parent company.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
Can you tell me a few points about working capital appraisal? Hello?
Likewise, sir. Yes,
Working
sir.
capital appraisal.
For working capital, generally two methods are we are going. The first is a Tandon committee, and second one is turnover method. That is Nayak committee. In turnover method, we used to take 25% of the projected sales turnover, in which 5% margin will be brought in by the customers, and so 20% of sales turnover can be maximum permissible finance, which can be provided by the bank as a working capital.
Good. Now, what is the news, current news in India in business circles? Hello, current news in India in
Yes, sir. Yes,
business
sir.
circle means you should tell about the share market, then anything else relating to some new ventures, new methodologies, whatever it is being done in business. Bataiye. You must be ready for question on, say, some current affair relating to your state,
Yes, sir.
namely
Yes, sir. Yes.
you are in Tamil Nadu, namely your other state, Uttar Pradesh, namely about
Yes, sir.
country as a whole, about banking, about business. So everything you must be able to have 2-3 points ready in your mind so that you can tell immediately. If you have been
Recently,
watching, if you have been
1,000.
if you have been watching my video, I have showed you that about the Geo announcing about 999 rupees phone, and they are coming out with new schemes, and that is going to be a
Geophone.
big challenge for the Airtel and Vodafone. That is one news. Then there is a news
Yes,
about
sir.
Reserve Bank of India asking banks to take steps to internationalize the rupee, and Google is complaining that India is protecting the Amazon's interest. Likewise, बहुत कुछ points हमने दिया है. Tomato prices
Okay,
are
sir.
soaring. ये सब
So
आपने
high.
ये सब आप रेडी करके बोलना है. राहुल गांधी को इज
भी
इज
वर्डिक्ट आया है गुजरात हाई
वर्डिक्ट
कोर्ट से.
वर्डिक्ट आया है. ये सब बोलना है ना.
ओके सर.
And there is one more thing they are telling. Government has retained major provisions of draft digital personal data protection bill, something like that. उसको भी अब बोलना है. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
अभी
आई
जो
आई
कुछ
नोटेड डाउन.
whatever is happening now, about that you must
यस.
get prepared very well, and then must be able to
ओके.
talk confidently. Okay.
ओके सर.
Good. Do you have any questions to ask?
No, sir, I have to go through schemes. I was not so confident in definition and all, so I have to read it. That's it.
Yeah, very good. Best wishes. God bless you. You need to need, I know,
Thank you, sir.
as a practical people working in bank branches, you don't have time to read, but there is no other point. You have to read now if when you go for interview. Please prepare.
Yes, sir.
I thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Best
sir.
wishes. If you get selected,
Thank you,
come
sir.
for GD and interview. We will read still more better. Thank you.
Okay, sir.